Next thing, we need to configure DNS. We already done Active Directory. Okay, so for DNS, these are the steps which we need to follow. So let me go to 100.230 through remote desktop. Okay, and what we need to do, go to go to tool, and there should be DNS. Go to DNS, and this is our DNS, and let's go to forward lookup zone. So forward lookup zone is okay, these are the detail, but reverse lookup zone is not there. So right click on reverse lookup zone, click next, and primary zone yes, and then it's okay. Then IPv4, and type the network. So 192.168.100 is our network, and click next. Network ID is done. Now click next and finish. So reverse lookup zone is there, but there is no entry for server, this one. So let's create an entry. Right click, new pointer, and 230 is our server. So go to server, forward lookup zone, test.local, and go to SRV, and okay. Now it's done. You can verify, right click here and launch NSLookup. If there is no error, it means everything is okay. Like SRV, if I type this, it will give me the IP. If I type IP, so it will give me the username as well. So it's okay. So DNS is properly configured. When you click here and there is no error, it means DNS is okay and work perfectly. But I need to put two more things. These two ICE details. Later on when we configure ICE1 and ICE2, so I will use ICE1.test.local and ICE2.test.local. Test.local is our domain, yeah. So let's create, let me show you, these are the steps which we follow. Primary zone, and then we type network ID, keep the same, and then we check it's okay. Okay, and these are the two hosts we need to configure. So what we can do, we can put ICE1, and for that you need to create new host. A is for IPv4 and 4 times A is for IPv6. So what we can do, we can go to test, right click, and new host. So ICE1, okay, so it's automatically fully qualified domain name, and IP address will be 192.168.100.210, I believe. Let me show you again. This one 210, the other one is 220. So I need to create two entry in advance, and create pointer means the opposite one as well, reverse lookup. So add host, and done. Another one is ICE2 and 192.168.100.220. Let me show you again this one 220. Okay, and create pointer as well and add host. That's it. That's the only thing. So ICE1 and ICE2 entry is there, and if we go to reverse lookup zone, so let refresh. Where is refresh? Here is, and you will see 220 and 230 and 210. So 210 is ICE1, 220 is ICE2. That's it. If you want to verify, right click, launch NSLookup, and type ICE1 and type ICE2. So it's okay. That's it. So our DNS is configured. These are the only thing we need to configure. Okay, so this was how to configure DNS.